So today we take a look at the credit cards of HSBC Bank and evaluate the benefits and the drawbacks. So let's get started. The Classic Credit Card. HSBC's Classic Credit Card has no annual fee and will provide you with up to £1,000 of credit based on your credit score. This credit card is basically offered as an entry credit card to build or improve your credit score. And you can qualify for this card when you hold any of the HSBC current accounts other than the basic account. Next to this, you need a minimum of £6,800 of income or pension annually, be a UK resident and at least 18 years of age. The APR for the Classic Credit Card comes down to 29.9%. Now normally I already advise to always pay off your full credit balance at the end of the month and not let any amount roll over, but with an APR of 29.9%, this is definitely the way to go. Since it's a free credit card that allows you to build a better credit score, there isn't much to complain about other than that you have to pay a cash withdrawal fee. If you're looking to advance to a better HSBC credit card but you can't because of a bad credit score, then this is a good card for that. The Rewards Credit Card. With the HSBC Rewards Credit Card, you can start turning your expenses into cash, points or benefit. This card has no annual fee and comes with an APR of 21.9%. In order to qualify for the HSBC Rewards Credit Card, you must be an existing HSBC customer, meaning having a HSBC Advanced account. You can also qualify with a HSBC Bank or HSBC Premier account. Now in both cases you are required to have at least £1,750 per month coming into the account for the past 6 months. Next to this, you must also be a UK resident and over 18 years of age. As a welcome offer, you get 2,500 points, which is worth about £25, and overall the HSBC reward system is slightly above average. Now if you make heavy use of selected stores, you can really benefit from the reward system, so this really depends on your personal lifestyle. If you spend a lot per month on food, for instance, you will earn a lot of points with this card and get some great benefits. Now a drawback of the HSBC rewards card is the fact that you will incur both transaction fees and exchange fees when abroad, and you will also incur fees for withdrawing cash in the UK. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to the channel for more finance and banking information. The Premier Card. With the HSBC Premier Credit Card, you basically get an upgrade to the Rewards Credit Card. You will now earn 1 point for every pound spent and 2 points for spending in other currencies. This sounds great, however, since HSBC charges almost 3% in foreign transaction fees, it sort of cancels out the added benefit. The Premier Card has no annual fee and a lower APR of 18.9%. Now in addition to the upgraded point system for general spending, you also get access to the HSBC Premier Rewards for miles. This will allow you to transfer every 2 points to 1 frequent flyer mile with specific airlines, which can be great for free flights or upgrades. You also get an extended 2-year warranty on some household appliances, which is perfect for when items break down just a few months after the warranty has expired. HSBC also claims that the Premier Credit Card gives you access to 750 airport lounges. However, this is not true access since you still have to pay an entry fee at most lounges. This is really unfortunate and could have made this a great credit card if they had addressed this issue. Now to qualify for the HSBC Premier Credit Card, you must earn at least £75,000 a year and hold a financial product with the bank. You can also qualify with having £50,000 in savings or investments with HSBC. Now normally these requirements are not too outrageous, however if you look at the benefits that you get with the Premier Card, then it's hardly worth the trouble. Because if you meet these requirements, then there are plenty of better cards out there that will give you much more value for money. The Premier World Elite Mastercard. The best card available at HSBC is the Premier World Elite Mastercard, which comes with a 40,000 point bonus if you spend £2,000 in the first 90 days, which is easily achievable, and you get an additional 40,000 point bonus when you spend £12,000 in the first 12 months. Next to this, you can get access to HSBC Premier Rewards for miles, which comes down to about a free ticket to mainland Europe for every £9,000 you spend. The Premier World Elite card does offer true lounge access to about 750 airport lounges and a 10% discount to various hotels worldwide. This card does have an annual fee of £195, which is a bit of a drawback considering the average benefits, and comes with a purchase APR of 18.9%. Overall, the Premier World Elite is an okay card, but considering it is targeted to high net worth individuals, it is offering not a lot for that region. The added transaction and cash withdrawal fees make this card even less desirable. This was a review of the HSBC Bank credit cards. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more finance and banking information.